paid for the Uber.
I'm actually gonna fucking pay.
I'll bash you and just take the car myself. Well, too late. I already paid for the Uber.
No, you did not pay.
We did pay.
No.
It's being paid for.
Yes, it has.
Well, guess what? I got the coronavirus anyway. Calm down. No, you dumb.
Getting a stop.
I'm still the car. Wait, like, we already paid for the Uber. What are you doing? I'm not getting there. I already paid for the Uber. Take me, you dumb. I'll bash ya. The coronavirus.
You know what? That's just sad, right? A bunch of probably drunk girls having an argument with a driver, saying that they paid, and then they get into this argument about him saying you haven't paid. They say they have paid. You can clearly hear they're pretty drunk, and then they say, hey, we have the coronavirus, and they cough all over him and they spit all over him. These girls need to learn a harsh lesson. The records are on file. Police should be notified. You can't pull this shit off, you know. And it did sound very fake. The cough did sound very fake. But the fact that this is how riders get creative, right? Creative to try and get around the fares. The driver obviously said you haven't paid. They try to wiggle out of it. We have paid. We have paid. On top of it, they start, you know, whether it's fake or whether it's true, they start coughing all over him and say, we have the coronavirus, we have the coronavirus. Shame on these girls. Parents should take some disciplinary action. Apparently they were teenagers, and this stuff just cannot happen out there, ladies and gentlemen, right? So there have to be harsh consequences for this. And please, your thoughts.